my Pixie friends and Silver Sisters. If you are brand new to my channel, welcome. My name is Carrie-Jessica. I talk a lot about going gray, styling my Pixie, and sometimes I just open things I've spent too much money on. And if those things sound like they might be interesting to you, hit that subscribe button and hang out with me more often. Today I'm going to do my hair, which shouldn't be a big deal, but to be honest, I've only been doing my hair like once every 2 weeks these days, so it's long overdue. Today I'm going to use products from Kevin Murphy, Design Me Hair, and Color Wow. Now, I'm not affiliated with any of these brands in any kind of major way. I will say that the product from Design Me Hair was gifted to me. However, I have purchased it with my own money many times. And the product from Color Wow was also gifted to me, and I am truly enjoying it. So let's get started with this hair. So the very first product that I'm going to use is Kevin Murphy's Smooth Again.
Hair on the nozzle.
This is one pump. It is probably more than what I need, but I am nothing if not consistently heavy-handed with product. Now I am just going to emulsify this in my hands and run it through the length of my hair. And any product that I still have in my hands, I run down the undercut portion. I'm going to use the Dyson dryer. I will say that this dryer is very expensive. If your hair takes a long time to dry and you do your hair often, definitely worth the investment. I have not been doing my hair much lately, but I still have used this thing quite a bit. I am going to use the thinnest compression nozzle that I have for the airflow. So when I dry my hair, I personally rotate no heat to the lowest setting of heat, and I kind of blast it with air. So while I was diffusing, I was going upwards and also going forward and upward. Now I will say I'm due for a trim. I go in just a couple of days. So this side here, actually, even just from diffusing, laid pretty much how I want it to go. This side over here, this is just a little long and not really cooperating. So we're just gonna see what happens. The very first styler I'm going to use on dry hair is going to be the Puff Me Light by Design Me Hair. I absolutely love this. One of these was gifted to me, but as you can see, I do love them. I bought these other ones myself. This is a powder texturizing spray, so this really helps give that lift. It really... Make sure I'm spraying it towards my hair. And then I kind of separate here and put a couple pumps. My vision is really bad, and obviously I'm not wearing my glasses right now, so. So now that I have that in, I'm just going to use my fingers and kind of run through it and spread that powder around the root. I'm going to use a spray wax to get the height out of the top. This is really just the focus of volume. Now on this side where things are a little bit in between, they're too long to lay down but too short to go up, I went ahead and made a part and separated, and I'm going to go in just really at this, just above this part actually, and put some more. Now if your undercut is a little bit longer than mine, this is when you can take a brush or a comb and just kind of make sure everything is laying down nicely. Mine is at a length where this is more than enough to get it where I want it to be. So this is what I think is the fun part. I'm going to use the Kevin Murphy spray wax. This one is called Touchable. There is another one called Bedroom Hair. I haven't used Bedroom Hair in a really long time, so I don't know comparatively like which one has a stronger hold. But this one is a very flexible hold spray wax that I absolutely love. So my hair is already up from the Puff Me, but I'm going to use this spray wax to just kind of start styling this front part. And I actually work with its natural texture, like how it starts to lay really decides how it's going to be. Because while I am into anti-gravity fun hair, I'm also not interested in fighting my hair. And when I say that, what I mean is like, I'm not interested in a battle. I am not going to end styling my hair and hate my hair. I have all of these like negative feelings about it. I love doing my hair. I think it's fun. And part of having the attitude of embracing it as fun is accepting whatever happens. It's all gonna be fine. So now that spray wax is in it, it just has a little bit, it's very a touchable, like I could run my fingers through it. It's a very touchable hold, but it starts allowing you to have a little bit more structure and control over how it lays. Now that I have this where I like it, I'm going to spray a little bit more of the spray wax because, again, I use too much product. I can't help it. Color Wow was nice enough to send me this cult favorite flexible hairspray. I really love it. Now, Color Wow is ideally for people who color treat their hair. And as you guys know, I'm gray. I don't color treat my hair. Where this comes in as a benefit for you if you are a silver sister is it doesn't have any ingredients that likely turn your hair yellow, which are a lot of different parabens and silicones, which I do use silicones in some of my other products. I balance that with a shampoo that does remove silicones. However, I really like incorporating things that just don't make that a necessary step. If you're following the Curly Girl method, it's not Curly Girl method approved because it does have an alcohol in it, as most hairsprays do. Here we go. Alright guys, my hair is done, and even though I do have product in it that has hold, I just want to show you that you can actually still touch my hair. You can run your fingers through my hair and it will help maintain this shape just with the different stylers that are in it. So your hair is not going to be a cardboard. You don't have to worry about that, which is something that unless you're like with me, I can't really show you other than running my fingers through it. If you have any questions about the styling products that I used, what the ingredients are, what they feel like texturally, or even what they smell like, drop a comment. I will get back to you. If you are looking for those products, I will have them in my Amazon shop in the description box below. If you liked this video today, I would appreciate it if you would take the time to give it a thumbs up and drop a comment. Believe it or not, those things help my channel and I greatly appreciate them. If you have not yet already, hit that subscribe button and hang out with me. I am usually on YouTube on Tuesdays and or Thursdays, and if you would like to hang out with me outside of that, I am on Instagram on the regular. You can also find me on TikTok, Pinterest, and Facebook. I will have those links below. That is all from me today. I will see you in a few days, and until then, bye.